and welcome back. Bienvenidos. ¿Cómo están todos? I think I should start doing them in Spanish. What do you think? Oh, I feel like I've got something in my nose. I've had cat hair on me like all day. So today, Sandy-MMVKBKWU presenta Allure beauty box. Yep, the Allure. Oh, they collaborated with Huda Beauty. So, did I see what I was getting? Oh no, I think Ipsy Plus is doing Huda as well. Huda must be trying to get rid of some products, yeah. Anyways, Huda, Allure Beauty. So let's get started. For those of you that are not familiar, I think the majority of everyone is familiar, but those of you that are not familiar, Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. You can get the first month for $10, and then every month, I believe it's $15, right? I think it's a $15. Yeah, your first month is like $10, and then every month it's $15, I believe. And if not, yes, because Ipsy's still 10. So that, yeah. So the first month is $10, and I believe they throw in a bonus gift, and then every month after that it is $15. So let's get started. Let's try this out. This Allure Beauty Box I get from Amazon. So let's see what it is. I should have gotten two this month. No, I gotta stop being greedy. I get 2 boxes of everything, and then I don't even use anything. So, ooh. Nice. Maybe I should have done 2. So this is what it looks like when you open your box, and it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. Actually, this is a nice box. I like this box. Oh, I like the bag. So, I really like this box. I wasn't expecting this. So there's Huda. You know, Huda's got to put her face on everything. Everything. That girl. Look at the bag. Oh my God, it's my favorite. I should have got 2 of these this month. This is actually really pretty. I'm a big 80s girl. I have the 80s vibe going on right now on my eyeballs. And neon pinks were the shit back then. Everything. I had neon socks, neon shirts, neon, what they call them, scrunchies. I call them ligas, but it was everything. So let's get started. I'm excited. There she is again. She's on the cover of the magazine. So let's get started. I won't read what I put this. So there's a lot of editors in this pamphlet, and they give you why they like it or why they do it and blah, blah, blah. I don't read that. What I do is I just give you the product and the price, and I'm excited. Oh, okay. So the first thing, this was actually not in the box. This was outside the box. I love her lippies, by the way. Her lippies, I love them. This is actually really nice. Look at that. It says alluring. Oh, I'm keeping this box. I normally I like this color. I'm gonna do like a full face of products that we got this month, because this is the bomb. This is an orangey red. This color is an alluring. Huda Beauty loves Allure. Look at that. Oh, I should have bought more than one. Oh, I think I am. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? If everybody got this box and don't like I still have the makeup from my last box on my hand. If somebody opens their box and don't like their lippy, I'm more than happy to take it. It's an orangey red. Look at that. And her lippies smell good all the time. I have lots of her lippies. I mean, a lot of her lippies. It smells good. Oh, I love this one. So again, if you got this box and you don't want your lipstick, your lippy, I'll be glad to take it from you. But look at that red. It's like I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it retails for it doesn't say. It might just It's an orange red. Yeah, it's an orange red. It's beautiful. It doesn't say. It might be because it's an exclusive item for Allure, so they won't be selling them anywhere else. I love this color. So let's get started in here. I love this bag. I'm saying if anybody gets this Allure box and they don't want their hot pink bag, I'll be more than happy to take it off your hands and the alluring lippy. Just saying, just start it out there in the universe. So the first thing I am taking out is the Hangover Too Faced primer. You know, I have not used one. I have a full face. I have a full size of this. Do I? Something. The full size is $34. I like Too Faced products. There should be a little itty bitty sample. Yeah, it is. Replenishing face primer with coconut water. I can't smell anything. You know, Too Faced products smell nice, so this one probably does. I just don't want to like stick it up my nose. So the full size of this product is $34. I have a full size one somewhere, so I'll be trying that out. We got some really good products in this one today. I'm kind of taken aback by it. We got the Kayali. Oh, this is, so we also got the Kayali fragrance at the parfum. Katan and her sister Mona launched Kayali fragrances together. So it says vanilla. There's a vanilla scent to it. It's vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. Oh, I do like this. This is a nice scent. Really nice scent. But it's more of a, for me, it's more of a fall scent. Not a summer. This is more of a fall scent. So it's actually nice. I like that. And the full size bottle for that is $65 for 50 mLs and $118 for 100 mLs. And then where to buy it? Shop HudaBeauty.com. So that's actually a really pretty bottle. So that's that. Ooh, we got some nice stuff. I'm so excited. Oh, we got lashes. Like, these are nice. So Huda Beauty Classic Lash in Samantha. The price is $20. So just your lashes alone is worth the price for this box. So this box is $15. The lashes are $20, and they, you know, I'm telling you, Huda got her face all over the place. And they are Samantha. Hey Huda, where's my Sandy lashes? Those are beautiful. Those are really nice. Oh, I can't wait to try those out. I have the Allure ones, these Vegas something lashes, and they're like out there. And those are 20 bucks. I really like those a lot. And where to get those from? Shop HudaBeauty.com. Let's see, what else did we get? Oh, we got texturizing hairspray by We. And this is worth, or the full size bottle is worth $26. Yeah, so the 4.5 ounces, and I only know that because it's on the picture, 4.5 ounces is $26. What does it smell like? I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, so. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. Oh, it reminds me of Mexico. Reminds me of Nivea lotion. If anybody's familiar with Nivea cream. And then, why did it say? Oh, I guess your box contains either Too Faced Hangover Primer, a Benefit Brow Cream, or an Urban Decay pencil. Okay, because they show all three items. This would have been nice to get, but I think I have it and I don't like it. The Cabral, which is fine by me, but I got this one. But you had you would have gotten one of these. I was like, wait, I didn't get that. And then The last thing in here is the Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Tony Moly Snail Hydro Gel Mask. Oh, gel. Made in Korea, so not that I want to say anything, but usually these face masks, any kind of skincare from Korea or Japan, they're like superb. So this mask is worth $10. Oh, that's good. See, usually they're like, oh, it's worth $500. No, usually they say face masks are like $15, $25, $35. I have $110 masks over there somewhere, and I still haven't used them yet. So Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydro Gel Mask. I think someone said they used the snail one. Let me know if you have ever used the snail one, or if you used this snail one. How did you like it? Was it good? Is it sticky? It says, I know it sounds gross and sticky, but the sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. So they're crap, is that what it is? They're mucus. Okay. So then they give us steps on different things. What does this say? In the bath, I try not to think about anything, no mindfulness or mindlessness. That's Huda. It says, in the States, nobody uses fragrance at night. When I moved to the Middle East, my sister was like, no, perfume is for nighttime. I use a vanilla scent, Kayali Vanilla or Dior Fève Délicieuse, on my skin and my pajamas. It's such a nice little treat just for myself. In the States, we don't use... What? In the States, nobody... I use fragrance all day long. Nighttime, daytime, even all the... I even put it on to go to sleep. So I don't know, maybe in certain places, I don't know. So anyway, that's everything that came in it. I really like this. I really like this box. I don't know about everybody else. I know I saw a few unboxings go up and I have not watched them yet. But I will watch them. But like I said, if anybody watching my video right now you don't want your bag, I'll be happy to take it. If you don't want any of the items in your box, I'll be happy to take it. I really like this red. So I hope to use it soon. But it's matte, so now I'm like debating on will I use it, because it's matte, but I do like it. Is it transfer proof? No, you get a little, but that's the color, and I think it's adorable. I love it, and I really like her lippies. And that's everything. So let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you get this box? Did you like your box? Did you get the same items I got, or did you get the Benefit brow thing, or did you get the eyeliner? Even the eyeliner, I would have taken the Urban Decay eyeliner. That's pretty good. So yeah, that's everything that was in this box. Let me know. Shout me out somewhere down in the comment section. Let me know how'd you like this box. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And that's all I have for you. So I will see you in the next one. Hasta later.